To Urban Claps landing page. Here we have filled with the placeholder images. Here you can enter your own images. Then we have our services, what kind of services Urban Clap provides, for example, shifting, car services, plumbing, emergency, etc. Then basically this section tells who we are. Here you can replace it with own play your own image. Basically this is our placeholder image. Then we have mobile. Here we can also upload images of our own, but for now we have only uploaded placeholder image, so you can upload by your own choice what kind of image should be appear here on the device. Then banner, these are the testimonials reviews. Basically for now we only have the demo data. Then we have footer section here, and after that we have about us, privacy policy. Here only we have the test data. We can replace this by the privacy policy. And basically this website is also in dark mode, so if user wants to see the website in the dark mode, then they can view this. Thank you.